Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Google Pixel device to Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus. Begin by opening Play Store on both and getting free app code Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it and tap on the same options in both to set them up. I agree and I acknowledge. Confirm, continue and allow. In this window about new updates, choose whatever you want to and then hit your device's displays. Now select Send at the bottom left corner of Google Pixel and Receive right next to Send at the bottom of Redmi. Also on Google Pixel, using all of those categories at the top, pick all of your files to send. I will go with only a couple though, just for example. When you finish, hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. Got it, and here's some deep pop-up and decide which connection way will be better for you. If you want to connect by scanning this QR code, tap on the scanning icon above User Guide. Then close and add. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point it at the code. To input this key, hit Input Key section, type in all of those numbers and choose Receive button. Either way, just wait. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!